Hello everyone. This short video will teach you how to perform an effective eye cleaning of your enagic K8 fountain. Pause this video as needed to perform your cleaning at the same time. Sorry in advance for improvable translate from French. I recommend cleaning every 15 days. It will only take 5 minutes to prepare, 3 hours of machine downtime, and 5 minutes to rinse. To minimize downtime, perform this cleaning in the evening and rinse it the following morning. Important warning: neglecting maintenance or performing it too infrequently will severely compromise water quality and shorten the lifespan of the fountain. Indeed, like any high-tech device, neglected maintenance will impair performance. Prepare the necessary equipment: the cleaning filter, the red cap, the cleaning container and its cap, 60 g, 2 bags of citric acid. Pour the citric acid into the maintenance container, which has a green label. Fill the reservoir with lukewarm, but not hot, water to 3/4 full. Close the reservoir, making sure the 2 small triangular arrows are aligned. Finally, shake vigorously for 1 minute to completely dissolve the powder. Start the cleaning procedure. Press the blue button at the bottom of the screen, then press Decleaning. Confirm the cleaning instructions, which will guide you step by step. This is highly recommended for first-time users. Replace the electrolytic enhancer container with the orange label with the cleaning container with the green label that you prepared previously. Replace the lower cover to securely hold the maintenance container in place and well plugged. Replace the main filter with the cleaning filter, which is shaped like a flying saucer. Here I added a thin rope for easier removal. Make sure the seals follow the filter's position; if not, remove them manually. Insert the cleaning filter, which should have the same seals, and secure it by inserting and turning the locking ring that was around the main filter. Place the red cap on the lower pipe, also known as the secondary pipe. Do not place it on the upper pipe, which must remain free of debris from the cleaning process. I recommend using a large glass to collect this debris and monitor the amount of waste flowing during cleaning. Go to Next screen. Press Start to begin the cleaning cycle. The screen will go into standby mode in a few minutes. The process takes 3 hours. You can leave it running overnight and rinse the fountain in the morning. The cleaning cycle is complete. Press OK. Empty the fountain by removing the red cap and collect any spilled liquid in a clear glass. If the water flowing is clear, the cleaning was sufficient. If there are white particles a few millimeters in size in the water flowing, the cleaning was insufficient. In this case, complete the cleaning procedure and then start another cleaning cycle, shortening the interval between each cleaning. Personally, I recommend an interval of 15 days between each cleaning. Press OK. Replace the standard filter and the electrolytic booster tank with the orange label. Running the water starts the rinsing timer. A moderate flow is sufficient. Run for 300 seconds. Then, turn off the water. Your fountain is ready to use again. And to avoid forgetting the next cleaning, stick a post-it note on the filter with the date. Regular maintenance will keep cleaning simple and effective, maintaining your fountain in good condition and ensuring its longevity. In conclusion, take care of your fountain, and it will repay you 100-fold. Sincerely, Philippe Revella.